Welcome back. In this video, we'll guide you through how to install a 4-channel LED driver, perfect for RGBW lighting setups, signage, or zone-controlled LED systems. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. A 4-channel LED driver, compatible LED strips, a power supply that matches your driver's voltage, a screwdriver, a wire stripper, some terminal connectors, RDM tools, like this data master for addressing and setting modes of the driver, and, for extra accuracy, a multimeter. Most importantly, make sure the power is off before wiring anything. Let's begin by wiring the power input. Locate the V+ and V- terminals on your driver. Strip the wires from your power supply. Connect positive to V+ and negative to V-. Now, connect your LED strips. Most use a common positive line, and each color or zone connects to a different channel output. For example, channel 1 for red, channel 2 for green, channel 3 for blue, and channel 4 for white. Double-check your wiring, and make sure polarity is correct. All right, time to test. Turn on the power supply, and if wired correctly, each channel should light up accordingly. If something's off, power down and recheck the connections. Some LED drivers support dimmers, RF remotes, or smart controllers. If you're adding one, follow your driver's manual to connect control inputs properly. And that's it. You've installed a 4-channel LED driver. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you next time.